Okay, here I tried to put my old Nearpod slides together so I could show you some examples on how to condense this. I figured one video might make this a little bit easier. So here are the next four examples that I want to show you on condensing, and then Nearpod has its own classwork on the next slide that follows. Okay, so condensing is going backwards. So the powers out in front are going to have to go up here. And then subtraction, you want to be thinking division. So when you go from condensing, you're going to end up with one log. You only have to write it once. So that's log to the sixth. Then you're going to have u squared. And subtraction is division. So we're going to do over v to the eighth. So you have made it long to short. That's what condensing is. You want to go down to a single log, whereas before we were going to multiple logs. So here, my single log is log to the third. If they were not the same base, you wouldn't be able to do this. It would already be as simplified as it can be. Again, the power goes out from out in front. So this would be 12 to the eighth. And then plus is multiplication. So this is going to be times 5 squared. And that's all how we have to write it for right now, because I'm just asking you to condense it. I'm not asking you to evaluate it. If I was asking you to evaluate it, you would then want to put that into your calculator and figure out 3 to what power equals that. But that is a different set of directions. All right, so let's look at the next one. Again, you're going down to a single log. The 3 needs to go to the x, so that's going to be x to the third. Subtraction is division, and then the power needs to go to the y, so that is going to be y to the fifth. Okay, pause the video and try the next one. Hopefully you tried the next one before just listening to me. So here, power is 2, so this is going to be a single log of log 5, log base 5. This is going to be z squared. And then we are going to add a half of a power, so that is going to be multiplication instead of addition, because the multiplication turns that to addition to multiplication. And then you're going to have x. And what I want you to realize is the power out front is a half, so that's going to be raised to the half. And you could leave it like that, or you could even take this a step further and realize that a half is a square root. So this would be z squared times the square root of x. I would accept either one here. They're both equaling the same thing. Hopefully you got that right. Good luck on the next slide in Nearpod.